This beauty, this variety, is the one that got me started on this path of crystals, minerals, and stones. The very first one in 1997, what attracted me was it purple. It was a lavender with pink speckles, sparkles in it. And I actually walked away from it at first, and then I had to go back and get it. So what is this? It's Lepidolite. It's not this guy. The one that I did have is long gone. It's now with someone else because it was time for me to release it, but it got me started. And the layers of oils that I put on today are Archangel Jeremiel for insights and Rainbow Spirit to help me clear, balance, and align my chakras. So I was thinking about it because this stone, this Lepidolite, which is very different in color, and it still sparkles. Can you see it? Hopefully. Anyway, it brought me back to the very beginning. It's like, okay, so that's what my message is for today, for myself. Connecting with Lepidolite as the very first mineral that caught my eye because pink and purple. Purple for amethyst, right? In this case, it's lilac Lepidolite. And then the pink, I later learned years and years and years later, is pink tourmaline. I mean, what an amazing combination. So the message, this is a new beginning. Sure, I've been doing this work since, off and on, mostly on, since 1997, which, there you go. And during that time, I took a 7-year break from working on crystals and did something completely different. Did mostly mentoring and energy healings. I still do those. The point is, and I'm this is kind of a happy emotional moment because I am and have started at the beginning of the year a new beginning, and there have been new unfoldings along the way thus far, this being the very last day of June 2026, just to put some time parameters on it. There are little buggies behind me. Doesn't that beautiful sage? So recognizing and embracing and being empowered by the message from Archangel Jeremiel, thank you, through the layering of the oils and the balancing of my chakras with Rainbow Spirit, by which they are in my shop, by the way, helps me recognize that I really am in a new beginning within everything else that's been going on. Where is your life taking you, showing you, helping you to show up differently? Think back for just a few moments. What really helped you get started along your path? And are you unfolding into a new path within your path, a new direction or a tweak, a pivot? Visit the Crystal Boutique. Link is below. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.